Well, it's sort of a muggy, overcast day in Dozer. One out, one hit, and this is the third batter. And it's ball one. You notice there's hardly anyone in the stadium because rain is forecast about with an 80% probability, probably to arrive within a half an hour. And this is foul. So we'll see how many innings we get before the rain delay. It's supposed to clear off around 3. Whoop, there's an interesting foul. Check swing. And I do need to learn the umpire signs. Peoria has won the first 5 in this series and won 7 in a row after losing 9 in a row. And there's strike 3.